In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rehearse timings automatically in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted your presentation to run by itself at a steady pace, or you simply want to practice your delivery without guessing how long each slide takes, this feature is perfect. It lets PowerPoint record how long you spend on each slide so the deck can advance automatically using your real-world rhythm. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. It helps to have your slides and animations finalized so the timing you capture reflects the presentation you plan to deliver. Give your talk out loud as you rehearse to make the timing authentic. Next, go to the Slideshow tab along the top ribbon and click Rehearse Timings. PowerPoint will immediately start the slideshow in rehearsal mode and display a timer on your screen. You'll see the clock counting how long you've been on the current slide, along with the total time for the whole show. This environment is designed to feel like a real presentation, just without an audience. Advance through your slides naturally as you practice. Click your mouse or press the right arrow when you're ready to move forward. As you talk through your content, the timer records exactly how long you spend on each slide, including the time it takes for transitions and animations to play. Try to use the pace you want in front of an audience. Pause to let key points land, give yourself room to breathe, and don't rush. If you stumble or speed through something, keep going. This pass is about finding a comfortable rhythm. You can always run another rehearsal later to refine the timings. When you reach the final slide and finish your practice run, PowerPoint will prompt you with a question asking if you want to save the slide timings. This is the moment where your rehearsal becomes a reusable asset. Choose Yes to apply the recorded timings. After you save, those timings are attached to each slide. The next time you play your presentation with timings enabled, PowerPoint will automatically advance from slide to slide based on what you just rehearsed. This is ideal for self-running presentations at events, looping displays, or simply ensuring you hit your target duration. It doesn't record audio, just the timing, so you're free to narrate live or pair the timings later with a recorded voiceover if you choose. And that's it. Open your presentation, start, rehearse timings, practice at a natural pace, confirm the save, and enjoy a smooth, automated playback tailored to your delivery.